Testing testicles. So we'll just have a bit of a ride round. Quite a cloudy day today. The visor's still closed, 40 mile an hour. Right, so 60, 70 miles, we'll go stay at 70 for now. So we'll try that, see what that's like. Visor down, 70 mile an hour. Wonder what that sounds like. Visor down, 70, 40. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Uppity hop dum bum bum. Let's see, I could go see me dad. Right, so there's 80 mile an hour. Can you hear me at 80? Just talking bollocks, really. I did all that trip out. Come on. Did all that trip out. 233 mile I did on Thursday, and this bloody GoPro thing just would not listen. I had it plugged in properly, I Sugrued it in and everything. So what I've decided to do is do away without that little carrier that sits underneath the GoPro, and just Velcro the adapter to the helmet and see if that works. But the connection, it just seems to be loose. It's not a great. Why can't you just plug it directly in to the GoPro? I don't understand why you can't just connect it straight in. I'm sure the boffins at GoPro know better. So stopped again, see what it's like, and make sure, see if it's still working. Yeah, I was really annoyed by it. Wasn't spent all that day and seen some fantastic scenery and some lovely roads, and I was just chatting away and nothing, not a single jot got recorded. Plenty of pictures. I went through 6 GoPro batteries, but not there's that sign, can you see that? There's that mural that was done by Drew. Does an amazing, he does kids' bedrooms, unbelievable, like Disney themes or Marvel, the mega. So somebody asked him to do that. Right, let's try this again, see if this is working any better. We're still connected in. I've got my visor open. Visor open. Testing, bollocks, talking bollocks. Visor still open, 25 mile an hour. We'll just keep talking gibberish to see what the levels are like. Visor still open. Let's try it, just like plodding along, 30 mile an hour. Visor open, chatting away. Blah blah blah, gobble gobble gobble. Pub still closed. Visor still open, 35 miles an hour. Visor open. Shutting visor, see what that's like. Again, 35 mile an hour. Right, you're back recording now. I don't know what the hell goes on there. Sometimes it just stops recording now. Why can't GoPro make the little red light so much easier to see. It would make a lot more sense, wouldn't it, if you could just make sure you're recording. Right, let's test it a little bit quicker. So, 4th gear, 5th gear, 6th gear. So, what's the like? I mean, can you hear me? 88 mile an hour, warp speed. Right. So the setup I had last time was one of these with this cradle setup, but this wire has to bend. See, I put the Sugu in there to hold it in place, but it has to bend round either that way or that way, doing it one-handed. You see how it puts this horrible kink in, but if you do it from the top that way, which is the second way that I tried it, it's not very good one-handed. It goes in that way, and again it creates that kink on the top, and this cable clearly doesn't like it. This one has just given up the ghost just completely, so I bought another one. So what I've done is got rid of that. I've now put the standard one that GoPro comes on, and what I've had to do, I've had to cut away so the GoPro wire can just come out, can stay put. I can't show you on this camera because I'm filming with it, but this box now, I've Sugu'd this end into the GoPro permanently, so now it can just slide out of there when I want to change the battery quite easily, and the box now just velcros onto the side of there and then connects with that little jack, dead easy. And now it seems to be working pretty well, thank God, because it's been a pain in the arse. I know I'm not the only one that's had problems with it. Right, okay, that's me. Stay safe, see you soon. There she is. And pride and joy.